Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, my review, and today we are gonna talk about the Redmi Pro 2, which is gonna be launched with the Snapdragon 855 SoC. So Redmi used to be Xiaomi's sub-brand which used to work in the entry-level smartphone market, but now that the brand is separated, so it is also working for a premium segment smartphone, including the Snapdragon 855 powered smartphone. So we have seen a render shown in weibo, so I'm showing it right now in the screen, which you can see, and everything mentioned in the photo I will be translating it in the simple language so that you will know what is mentioned over here. So first of talking about some general kind of thing which we know after looking the photo. So the phone has a pop-up selfie camera for a notchless holeless screen. A device matching the description was recently seen in the hands of Xiaomi CEO Li Jun. Previously, Redmi Pro 2 leaks hinted the 48 megapixel camera is in the Redmi Note 7 and the Note 7 Pro, but we may also expect it, and the triple rear camera is also shown in the photo or in the render, so we can be sure that the smartphone is going to be launched with three rear facing cameras. So according to the text in image, the Pro model will also feature an in-display fingerprint scanner. It is first for the Redmi brand, and it is also expected to be launched with the 48 megapixel of cameras. So this seems to be quite real because we have also seen the photo from Mr. Lee Jun quite early, and we also have been hearing the news about the Redmi is working on a Snapdragon 855 powered flagship. So this might be the one, though if it's not the same, but it is sure that Redmi is going to launch a Snapdragon 855 powered smartphone in Q2 maybe of 2019, which is not quite sure, but yeah, the smartphone is coming. So did you like the information? If yes, then give it a big thumbs up, and if you want me to cover any topic, then write down in the comment section. And this is all for today. Hope to see you in the next one. Peace.